In this video, you will learn how you can collect Taplink payment details into Google Sheets automatically. So guys, Taplink is a micro landing page builder by which you can also collect payments. Okay. So if you're collecting payments from Taplink, this automation is for you here. As and when you are going to collect any payment, you don't have to manually save the data of the payments into your Google Sheets. It will happen automatically, and we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let's start. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation workflow, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. I have pasted this link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation workflow. And here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here as Taplink payments to Google Sheets. And after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So in the trigger module, you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. And that event is going to trigger or kickstart this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger, right? So here in our use case, the collection of the payment from Taplink is going to act as a trigger, and the action towards the trigger would be to send the data of payment into this spreadsheet I have created here. Okay, so first of all, let me connect Taplink here in the trigger application. Here is Taplink selected, and the trigger event would be new payments. Select this. All right, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, you can make a connection with Taplink by following these instructions written here. So you can follow the steps one by one. Let me show you directly how you can do that. First of all, you need to reach the Taplink's account, and here you have to click on this add-on section. Under add-ons, you will find a search bar. Here you have to search for webhooks. Search for webhooks, and under webhook settings, you will find this new payment checkbox. You have to check this box, and in front of this, you will find this link field. So you will find a blank field here like this, and here you have to paste this webhook URL. So just click on copy from here and paste this URL here in this field. Okay, and select the JSON format, data format as JSON, and you have to activate here. I have already activated it, you can see. And now you have to click on save changes. Right, that's how you can make a connection. And here you can see, as we have copied the URL, webhook URL here, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means you have to do a manual payment in Taplink. That will be a test payment, not an original one. And the details of that payment will be captured here as the test data. And with the help of that data, we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so let me show you the payment page I have created with the help of Taplink. This is the page I have created. You can customize this page according to you. Here I'm just asking for the name of the person who is making the payment. So I've entered the name. Now put the email address and a phone number. Right, and after that, click on submit. And here you can see it is asking for the payment of 100 rupees. So for that, use this bank card option. And here, let me fill the test card details. This is not an original card, this is the test card. And let me fill the whole data. And now click on pay invoice to pay the test payment. Okay. Alright, so you can see the payment got submitted here. Let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured of the payment. And here you can see, guys, we got the data captured here like this. So started here it will start showing you all the details regarding the payment, the link of the payment and the amount of the payment. And here you can see the phone number, the email address, okay, the phone number, the name of the person, the purpose of the payment, and the payment method. So all the details got captured here like this. Right. Now I want to save this payment details into my spreadsheet which I have here named as Taplink payments, and here I want to save the name, email, phone number, payments purpose and the payment amount in the spreadsheet. Alright, so for that we are going to connect Google Sheets here in the section step. So search for Google Sheets here. And the action event would be add new row. Then click on connect. And from here select add new connection. Then click on sign in with Google. And from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that spreadsheet. Now you have to give some additional access to Pabbly Connect to your account. So just click on continue and you can see the authorization is successful and we will be connected here with Google Sheets. Alright, so we are connected and here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet is this Taplink payments. So you have to search for it from this drop down list of spreadsheets. Here it is, select it. Alright, and here you can see the sheet name got auto selected here because we have only one sheet here, sheet 1. Alright, and now it is asking for the name, email, phone number, payment purpose and the payment amount. So these are nothing but the headers of the columns I have in this spreadsheet. So to get this data filled here automatically, you need to map the values of all these things here in this workflow only. And to fill the data, we are going to use this test data that we have received here in the first step. And we are going to map these labels that we have received here in this tab. Okay, so to map the things, you just have to click here like this on the name field and the trigger step will appear in the drop down like this, and when you click on it you will see all the data that you have received in the trigger. So from here only you have to map the name like this. So here it is showing us the name of the person, just click on it to map it. Similarly map the email address like this, phone number, like this, purpose of the payment, maintenance charge is the purpose, select this, and the payment amount. Here it is, order budget, map it, right. Now you can check your connection with your spreadsheet by clicking on save and send test request button, and this test data will be sent here in this spreadsheet automatically. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request button. Alright, so this is the response we have received here. Let us check in our spreadsheet if we got the data. And here you can see a new row got added here automatically with the same details that I have mapped in the workflow, you can see. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, guys, whenever you are going to receive any payment through Taplink payment page, you will get the payment details here in your spreadsheet automatically, and this workflow is going to run in the background. All right, no need to open it or do anything here. So guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.